right?
If it's all
Maybe.
through those tunnels. Wait, we've never been to Blue, have we?
No, that's what I was saying. We should go and turn in the Kongs first, since we have them. Free up our backpack. I'm gonna assume they're all just open now. Yours didn't go in. Or are you just gonna fall? Yeah, I'm gonna guess that they're all just open now. Black?
Music. It's a dance party.
Nice. We're only missing one song. That's cool.
Oh, backpack.
No?
Wait. Wear
Wait.
something on your hip.
Wait. Oh. What's it do?
Take it off. It's like a belt. I think it's
I'm
marked storage.
Can you put the flashlight on it? Huh.
It's on your back.
Oh. Then what's... Then where's the... Then what does this do?
Try to do it yourself.
I can't look at it.
That's what I mean. I don't know if you can push a button or something.
No?
Okay.
I don't know. Weird.
It gives you a triangle spot on your side, so maybe you can like flip a radio there.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Big scary shadow.
Rah.
You look like a predator or something. Hey.
There was something over there to our left, like right where we were.
Well, I
So
couldn't
I,
see anything.
I turned to go that way, and then you were just gone.
Well, I fell down a hill, so I was done. I can't get in here. So. Here, try to. Yep. Yep. Okay, that's what I was gonna say. Come on in, friend. Wait. Three, two, one. Oh. Okay. Oh shit. Timer. Oh no, where's it gonna fling it? Hold on. Actually, let's pick it up. Back to your thing.
No, let's just keep going. Let's
Okay,
head
there was
towards
a
that
green
floating white ball
floating white ball.
up there.
Okay. And then by the railroad tracks up there.
Hmm?
Up way.
Nothing's happening in there.
These things light up out here, and I have to tell you
Yeah,
what to
but
put on.
these
Put
don't
on.
have any symbols on them.
Colors inverted on that. I feel like we're doing some photography thing. Can you see it down that low or no?
No. Mm-mm. Oh yeah, they do show up. So that's slash. So that would be one. Put it in like the just like right there as like the one thing. And then hold up the other ones. Triangle, so that'd be 3. S for 5. Six. Four. 2. 8. 7.
All right, the last one's 9 then.
Okay. But once I close the door, like, oh, you have to put them here? How do I get them to you? Can we just bring them all out?
Oh yeah, probably.
So, we gotta put them in the same order. That's 1. I got 3. 5. Okay. D Nobody, we don't even need to be in there.
Nope,
1,
not
2,
anymore.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No.
2. 5. 6. That was easy. We only need one more to get this key.
Boink!
Alright, I want to go to the base of that balloon, and then we can go to the... Yeah, that blue platform is the balloon. Oh, that has... Oh, we can fit 2 Kongs in there, and then you can carry 2 at a time? But that's it? Wait, can we put that on our back? Here, take the one off my back. And then can I put this on your back? Yeah, I can. Now you have 2 on you. Okay.
Oh yeah, and you got a belt.
Uh-huh. We still don't know what that does, but we've got it. Oh, maybe it's for the radio. Maybe it's just music.
Hey, we got raided.
Ooh,
Right.
nice. Hey guys. Thanks for the raid.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
Big yellow thing here. Might have to throw me. Yeah. Oh. Oops.
This is the horn.
The horn. What's the horn?
You can use it to talk really far away.
Hey.
Yeah.
Echo.
It projects your voice.
Can I put it on your backpack? Oops. Oh, there you go. I mean, that's no good on your back, but whatever.
No. We'll have it, I guess. Yeah, thanks,
Oh,
man.
yeah, we gotta do. Where was that other amphitheater thingy?
That was... I think over by the yellow tower. No?
Maybe.
Yeah,
we have
there's
a
this
map
thing
down
we can
here.
do. Yeah, and this will get us the last key, or at least the key for... How do we get in here?
We'll just go in, man.
Yeah, but how? Where's the walkway? There is no walkway.
There you are. Ooh, oh, bless me.
Yeah, where are we going?
So maybe we need to ride the balloon to get in there.
Oh no, I found it, I found it. It's right here. I feel like we did do this one. This seems really... I think we did do this, man. Yeah, we did. There's no Kong here. Yeah, no. There's no Kong. We did this one.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I remember now.
So yeah, we gotta go across the valley where that red, like, building was. Shit. Here's something. Why? This is pointing a direction. It's changing. Or is it reloading?
I don't know. There's a building to your left.
Yeah, that's where we were going originally. I just want to know. I think that's just a timer. Okay. Huh.
Yoink.
Rude! You already have items.
Oh.
Ah! Why? No! I don't care if it's a little wet.
Wait, why do I? No, we did not do this. We did one like this.
Yeah, I don't think we did this one though. Huh? What time do you think we need to get?
I have no idea. Time of what is the question?
My guess
What
is
brings you into
exactly
the
1 minute.
office today?
Your mom.
And what about my mom is concerning you today? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Too tall. Crouch. Still too tall.
I think my guess would be we have to get as close to 1 minute as possible.
What's happening though? Like, what do you mean? I don't
What?
see it going up.
Right, hit that button. Oh, maybe we just have to wait 5 minutes?
So, how's it going?
We should have brought a radio. We could listen to some
Okay.
tunes.
Tell me the sound that you heard on the first round of the speaker puzzle. Yeah.
I don't remember.
What is the most annoying sound in the world?
Eh. Awful.
No!
Rude.
Oh my gosh! No! 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 No!
Why?
No! 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 I was trying to kick it out the door up there, or the window. But it's
Uh-huh.
glass, isn't it?
You just keep trying to get it stuck.
What are
Ow.
you trying to do?
Just get it over the middle bar there. Like volleyball. And we're almost halfway. This is the worst puzzle. was the speakerphone? Oh.
I mean, I could hit the button and leave, but we'd probably have to do it again.
Yeah, don't. There's no point in going out now. Might as well
So
reload this up.
what do you think that player does?
I think it directs you to something. I assume if we followed it, it would take us somewhere that we have to go. Oh, it's probably one of those where like you have to press the button and it opens a chest, but like because they can't have looking glass look that direction, they have the flare tell you where it is.
Hmm.
That's
What do
my
you think
assumption.
What do you think your belt does?
I think that is for the music player. I think it attaches to the belt. I don't even think it's for the walkie-talkie. I think it's just for the music radio.
Hmm.
So you can have music on your hip while you're going around.
Like an old school Walkman?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm free. Free falling. Almost. 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding. All right, let's go get that key.
I feel like I should be able to undo this vice myself.
I agree. Load me up. Cause I'm free. Way more questions than provide answers.
He most definitely would have played this one though.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. He for sure would have been playing with us.
He liked his puzzles.
Woohoo! I don't know if we need that. I think this is the last tower. I mean, I assume we'll need the Kongs for something else. You want to put it on my back? You want it on your back? Okay.
First,
First nerd. Right here. You passed it. That's why you're first nerd.
so I mean, it's
It was
kind of like
definitely
peak.
this direction.
I can snatch you. There it is.
Yeah.
If we get the jump right. Oh no!
You can left click to stop the kick. By the way.
Okay. Oh, which way?
This is kind of like a multiplayer Mist.
Wait,
No,
did we
we
go to
didn't do
that
that
red
one.
building? Oh,
Oh,
there
I
it
don't
is.
know.
Oh! Oh no!
Bye. You
Yeah,
found the next one though.
yay. So, yeah, Mist for its time was a really fun game. I just
Mm-hmm.
remember always like, put the next CD in, swap to this disc. I'm pretty sure
Yeah.
it had like 3 discs or something.
Yeah, something like that.
Just the graphics for its time was like beyond anything.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
There's more?
No, I think this is gonna unlock the train.
Yes. Oh yeah. Or a train, whatever. This isn't the full train, is it?
Yeah, I think it
Oh, it
is.
could be.
Pretty sure it is.
Oh yeah, there's just a bunch of trains on there. Yeah, so we've done all of them: blue, red,
Hmm.
yellow, green.
Yeah, we've done all the main towers. There's an achievement to ride the train. Too early. Too early. No. All right, I'm on.